Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to play Getting Over It on mobile devices. First, make sure you download the official game from your device's app store, whether it's iOS or Android. Always check that your phone or tablet meets the minimum operating system requirements for smooth gameplay. For a more comfortable experience, many players find that connecting a Bluetooth controller offers much greater precision than touch controls alone. This setup will give you the best chance to begin your ascent. Now, let's talk about mastering the mobile controls. The core mechanic involves dragging your finger across the screen to move the hammer. The speed and force of your hammer's swing are directly tied to how quickly you move your finger. For those incredibly delicate sections, focus on making small, precise movements. If you find finger input too broad, consider using a stylus. It can offer a much finer degree of control, helping you navigate the trickiest parts of the mountain. Once you've got the basics down, it's time to explore some advanced hammer techniques. A crucial skill is learning to hook onto ledges by swinging your hammer upwards and catching the edge. You'll also want to master using momentum to propel yourself over larger gaps and obstacles. The pogo jump, where you bounce off surfaces, is another powerful move. Watching experienced players, especially speedrunners, can reveal many clever strategies and movement patterns to help you climb higher. Finally, here are some essential tips for overcoming the game's notorious challenges. Patience is absolutely crucial. You will fall, probably hundreds of times, and that's part of the experience. If frustration starts to build, take a short break to clear your head and regain focus. Each fall is a learning opportunity, so try to understand what went wrong and adjust your strategy. Remember to celebrate every small victory, like reaching a new checkpoint, to keep your motivation high on this incredibly difficult, yet rewarding, climb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.